Today, we're going to explore how meditation can weave the threads of science, spirituality, and quantum physics to reshape your existence and unlock the mysteries of your reality. First, let's go over the mind's marvelous playground. I want you to picture a vast playground where thoughts and dreams dance together. Picture it. Can you see it? Now, meditation, my friend, is your secret key to this playground. Just like a skilled conductor orchestrating a symphony, meditation allows you to direct the flow of thoughts, creating a harmonious melody of intentions. Welcome to the channel. My name is Dre. I'm a meditation coach. I have a free gift for you for stopping by, for taking the time to really be determined about your growth. I have a free guided meditation. It's right there in the description. I'll pin it to the comments. Take it. Use it. Drop a comment. Tell me what you think. Thanks for stopping by. So, sculpting reality with quantum threads. Let's dive into the quantum realm. This is where particles are like cosmic Lego blocks, if you will, waiting to be shaped by your thoughts. So, quantum physics tells us that our observations and intentions influence the behavior of these particles. Through meditation, you become the quantum architect, sculpting the very fabric of your reality. This is so important when it comes to manifesting, feeling the high vibration. Epigenetics tells us that we can rewrite our genetic script. Did you know that your genes are not set in stone? Epigenetics reveals that your lifestyle and mindset can influence how your genes express themselves. Meditation, like a skilled editor, can rewrite your genetic script, turning on those genes that promote well-being and turning off those that cause distress. So you might be asking, how do we conduct the symphony of synchronization? Just as an orchestra creates symphonies through harmony, meditation syncs the different parts of your brain, fostering coherence between your conscious and subconscious minds. So this synchronization amplifies your manifestations, making them resonate with the universe's frequency, therefore elevating consciousness through spiritual alignment. As we journey deeper into meditation, you'll find yourself aligning with a higher consciousness, a higher purpose. It's kind of like tapping into a cosmic radio station that broadcasts wisdom and guidance. It's all right there for us. This spiritual connection empowers your intentions. It turns them into beacons that attract your desires. You see, experiencing the world through our five senses is simply a tiny drop in the bucket of what we truly have in front of us and inside of us. So I think it's important to note that most of us for so long operate under conditions that are not our own. They are a set of rules or contracts that we've involuntarily signed on to because when we were young and impressionable, they were impressed upon us and they stuck. And sometimes they just weren't right for us. And if you're like me, I know that you can tell. I know that you have that feeling inside of you where it feels like something's wrong, but nothing's wrong. We are simply waking up. For me, for so long, I thought that I was doomed. I thought life could never get any better. I thought it could never change. I felt so low. My thoughts, my frequency, extremely low. Until I was forced through circumstance to have a glimpse into what was true, what was real. After this happened, I knew something was changing. I could feel the tides turning. It wasn't a quick fix. What I began to do was take into account that it's up to me to make a change. I focused on my nutrition. I focused on my fitness. I focused on making money, trying to create a business, trying to get out there and do things to financially set myself up. But what I didn't do was pay attention to my spiritual journey. When I started to learn about these things, spiritual awakening, consciousness, frequencies, I learned that the only way to tap in was through meditation. For me, meditation was the most difficult thing I had ever done. It was harder than working out every day. It was harder than eating the right things every day. It was so damn difficult, but I pushed through it. I had the courage to do it, and I know that you do too, because when you feel that inside of you where something's off, all we have to do truly is let go of that which does not serve us. It's not that hard. The hard part is realizing that it's easy. I know that sounds kind of strange, but it's so true. All we have to do is step back. Through meditation, we can do this. Enter a realm of neutrality, of non-judgmental awareness, and simply allow things to be. Just by this alone, you have let go of so much. I felt like a whole new person after I learned the tool of meditation. It takes time. I've seen students make crazy progress within a week. I've also had students that took months, just like me. It took me months to really just give in and just surrender to the process. I was holding on to my beliefs, my ideas of the way things should be so tightly, I would not let go. Learning how easy it was to let go. I learned this through meditation. And the exact meditation I used, I made it for you for free. In the description, pinned to the comments, it is my inner sanctuary meditation. My gift to you to truly begin the journey of the inner self. Grab it. It's right there in the description. Let me know in the comments what you think. I know it will take you to the next level. I also offer my services as a coach. It is right there. I'll leave a link down there. Set up a call. We'll see if you're a good fit for coaching, and we'll go from there. I truly believe that my journey would have been so much smoother if I would have had a mentor, if I would have had a coach to explain to me what was happening as it was happening. Dark night of the soul. How to truly do shadow work and make it worth it. For me, it was an experience. I would have this experience, but I wouldn't make it better. I wouldn't do what was necessary in the moment in meditation to truly make changes. I would just experience it, and it was always the same. I invite you to take a long, deep, cleansing breath. Close your eyes, sit somewhere comfortable, and let the magic of meditation unleash the infinite potential within you. I know that you have potential. No one is exempt from this. I want to share with you a message from Dr. Joe Dispenza. He says, "It is a scientific fact that hormones of stress downregulate genes and create disease long term, and affects human beings because of the size of the neocortex. We can turn on the stress response just by thought alone, or think about our problems and turn on those chemicals. That means that our thoughts can make us sick. So if it's possible for our thoughts to make us sick, is it also possible that our thoughts can make us well? The answer is absolutely yes. Meditation is the answer. Thank you for watching, my friend. I'll see you in the next video.